Hello and welcome to Sea Smoke today, and we're making dinner again. Today we're going to make twice baked, loaded baked potatoes that are smoked. And we'll get to the smoking part later, but now we're going to get our potatoes to start cooking. So I've got 4 russet potatoes. I have washed them. Now I am going to wrap each one of them in some aluminum foil. I got 4 peeps, so I got 4 potatoes. Alright, there's one. Okay, now I'm going to put these in my oven. I have my oven at 365. You can do this at 350. And I'm going to bake my potatoes. And then in a little bit when we go to do the second time for baking, we're going to put them in the smoker and smoke them. So let's put this in there because this is going to take about an hour. And I'm not even putting them on a pan or anything. I'm just actually putting them on the rack. Because why dirty up a dish when you ain't got to? Okay, and we're going to close them up and we're going to let them take a hot nap and we'll be back to check them in a little bit. Okay, everyone, our potatoes are done. And you can stick a fork in them and, you know, it comes out soft. You know what I mean? So now we're going to cut our potatoes open. Which they're still a little warm, so I'm hoping they're not like too hot. So we can take out the inside. Because that's what we're going to do. Is take out the inside. I think I'm not going to be able to keep these whole. I think I'm going to have to stuff them half. That's what I'm going to have to do. I'm hoping my skins don't all break. So we're going to do the best we can with this anyway. But yeah, right now I'm going to scoop out all the insides. And then we're going to add all of our things to make the loaded potato. And then we're going to refill and smoke. Alright everyone, now we done scooped all the center out of all our baked potatoes. I cooked some bacon a few minutes ago because like I said, we're making loaded baked potatoes. And I'm going to stick that in my potato filling in a minute. Now, what to do with the bacon fat that's left over? Well, myself, I came up with the idea that I'm going to brush a little on the back of my potato skins to try to help them crisp up just a little bit while they're on the smoker. I'm going to do that to them. And plus, hey, it's going to add flavor. So I'm going to brush it on the back of these. And that way I don't waste either. Because we're reusing. You left the dog. He's very upset. Now I'm not, you know, like over coating it. I'm just coating it a little bit.
Hey,
come on, it's bacon fat. I just want to, you know, go super crazy with it. good if I turn my stuff around.
Do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around.
The dogs would be super happy if I spilt some of this in a moment. And we're brushing. And we're brushing. I almost feel like one of them people that's exercising. You got 3 more. You got 2 more. Come on, you can do it. And we do. We've got 2 more. And we can do it. And as they say, we're saving the best for last. Oop, I almost got a naked spot. That one does too. And last one. And like they say when they're exercising, oh, that's the last one. Don't you feel great and energized? I know. I'm weird. Alright, now I'm going to put some cracked salt on the skin also. And rotate. Well, mug. I'm making a mess. Alright. Here, babe, take these. Got it? Okay, now I have my potato fillings in here. So now I'm going to make them like a mashed potato, and then we're going to refill it. So I have some butter. I probably got 3 tablespoons worth. I have some bacon that we cooked. I'm going to add some sour cream because, hey guys, we're doing loaded baked potatoes. You know, so you got to add the works. So we're going to add some sour cream in here for a little tang. Alright. I don't add too much. My husband don't like sour cream, really. At least not the kind out of the container. He likes the kinds out the bag you munch on. Alright, we got some fresh green onions I have chopped up. We're going to sprinkle in there. So that'll be our chop part. Alright. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. Now I'm going to add some pepper, but I don't want to add a whole bunch of salt because we did, you know, put the bacon in there and then we brushed the bacon on the outside and put some salt on the outside too. We may just put like a sprinkle or so in here just to make sure, you know, it has that little slight salt taste in case the bacon doesn't do the trick. But I'm sure it will. What the heck? We'll finish. Hopefully this won't be adding too much cracked black pepper in there. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to wheel that one back a little bit. I was like, oh, let me just finish it. No, I just finish it, then I'm going to be, it's hot. Alright, so we're just going to do couple of these of the salt. I have some more voodoo seasoning. put in there. Because who does that voodoo like you do? We like voodoo, don't we? We do. Alright, we're going to I have some minced garlic here, so I'm going to add a little bit of this. Now, if you like more in there, go for it. You know, put it in there. Put in there as much as you like of whatever herbs and spices you want to go with. I have some minced dried onion. We're going to add in here too. Yes, to go with our green onions we have in there, because why not? Alright, I have some parsley we're going to add. Because why not? We need some dry herbs. A little table that needs some dry herbs, but my bowl needs some dry herbs. Alright, got some parsley in there. Oh, I'm getting stuff everywhere. I'm gonna put a little thyme in here, because I likes that a lot.
The time is 6:54.
Of course, season's starting to change. It's staying daylight a little bit longer because, you know, time changed. And I have some smokehouse maple to go in here because I like putting that on my bacon anyway, because I think it tastes good on that. So we're going to add a little bit of that, because that's going to give a little smoky flavor and taste to it also. And we cannot forget the cheese. So I'm going to add cheese in here. And I'm probably going to add just a little bit of milk in here. And then we're going to mash this up. We're not going to get it like super creamy like you would mashed potatoes, but we're going to get it pretty good so we can refill the potatoes. Alright, now I'm going to mix our mash to go back in our potatoes. Babe, hand me my spoon. Okay, now I got my potatoes, loaded potatoes mashed. I'm going to refill my potato skins so we can do the twice baked part. And we can do the smoking part.
Okay, hi there, it's me again. We got our acorn fired up. It's at 250 degrees. Let's get these taters on there. And yes, I know I need to clean this thing. It is due for a cleaning. Alright, we're going to let them go for 20-30 minutes. And then we'll pull them off so the sun's going down. Next time you see them, they'll be inside.
Okay, everyone. All our twice baked smoked loaded baked potatoes are done. And they look nice and yummy.
Extra cheesy.
And extra cheesy. And let's see how hot they are. Not too hot.
What?
Not too hot. But they do taste good. So hopefully this is a good idea for y'all to do too. We're really enjoying it. But we hope you like the videos and you subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that. We hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you next time, and enjoy cooking.
You gotta try this one too. It's so good.